Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's project, I'll be using Podge glitter, silver acrylic paint, and also quartz glass to turn an old and cracked mirror into something glamorous and beautiful. Stay tuned for the end result and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get into it. So to get started, I'll be mixing everything together, including Podge, acrylic paint, and all the glitters to make a paste. This is a full body mirror that I originally got from Walmart, and I actually accidentally broke it, so then I thought to myself, I can definitely use this for home decor, something really beautiful and glamorous. So I'm now cutting the crack part with the nice paste that later on I'll be adding glitter to, and also down the line we'll be adding quartz glass. So if you have any mirrors actually that accidentally cracked and you just touch, you know what, I'm just gonna throw this away, just think about that again. You can turn it into home decor. Just keep on watching and find out how I was able to do that. I'm looking for this to be something really shiny when the light hit it, which is why I'm using so much glitter. I use the stick glitter and also the fine glitter for that. If you're new here, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. I also use that same paste to cover the frame of the mirror just because I wanted to reduce on how gold it was. I'll be using this clear and rose gold crushed glass that I will be mixing together, and I actually had leftovers from a previous project, and I'll once again give this a nice coat to get it ready for the crushed glass, just because I want everything to actually stay together and really make a nice impact. Do you guys see the transformation already? If so, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up. This is how I combine both of the crushed glass together, and it looks really nice because there's a little silver and at the same time a little like rose gold into it. It makes a really nice effect. let this dry overnight, and now I'll come back with a second layer of Mod Podge to seal everything off, and I will add additional glitter for a more shinier effect. This is the final project and it turned out so beautiful. I really love it. I hope you guys do agree and get inspired to turn on cracked mirror into something glamorous and purposeful, because you can actually turn it over and put the mirror where you can actually see through it. Well, thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.